Welcome to Eat and Sip. This is where we think about what kind of drinks we're going to pair with what food, because it really changes how each one tastes if you get them wrong and if you get them right. Because it makes a difference. You don't want to have a soft drink with your dessert, do you? No. So if you were having a Kir Royale, for example, it would be very good with little tartines. You could put that spreadable brie on them and sprinkle over herbs, maybe a little bacon on them too, and just have that as one nibble to have with your drink. I like to have recipes that are simple and easy, but that make you feel really good and look beautiful too. First, I'm going to make an apple tart. You can make your own pastry, or you can use puff pastry. And then you take the spreadable brie in the back of the spoon. Just spread it like you're buttering a piece of toast. You just chop the apples and lay them on until you have enough. You don't have to worry about counting or weighing or anything. Just going to line it up like this, slightly overlapping, right on top of the cheese. Now just a little bit of sugar. You don't need much because the brie is already sweet, not sugary sweet, but it's a nice, it's not like a savory cheese, so it can have a little sugar on top, and then it gets a sugar syrup with rosemary at the end. You can eat it with a fork. You can pick it up with your fingers. That's a perfect dessert for me or tea time thing because it's not heavy and sugary and it just hits the spot. Nice creamy cheese, beautiful apples, rosemary syrup, and crunchy pastry. Very complex in the mouth, but simple to make. A pre-dinner drink should be stress-free, relaxing stuff. So here's a really easy one, which doesn't require mixing drinks. It's called a Kir Royale. It's a classic French thing. And you put in cassis, which is black currant liqueur, into a champagne flute, and you just put a coin, not a big splash of it, because it should only be a hint. And then fizz. What I love about this is it's one bottle shared by everyone. It's not a million bottles confusing everyone. Ah, music to my ears. And then just fill it up with champagne or sparkling wine. See, like that, a nice pale fairy tale pink. Cheers. I always serve digestif after dinner. Some kind of little drink, or even if it's just mint tea, it's very good with some little treats after dessert. I put out candied ginger, licorice, sometimes dates, little chocolates, or dipped orange rind, some little treat for afterwards so the party can linger on.